A key part of our business with our customers is being consultants for them. We have a couple of tools. One is what we call a profit watch, which is an in-depth analysis of their current inventory to show them where they have too much inventory, where they don't have enough inventory to cover today's needs. A lot of shop owners are shocked that they have 50% too much inventory.
The thing that's wonderful is it's more than one set of eyes looking at it, but it helps have just the right amount of stock to service our customers.
Inventory can be a scary thing for people. So a lot of times it gets ignored. So when we do a profit watch, we see where the problems are, but that's not enough. That's not where we leave it. Then we're able to use our trim tool to target the inventory to exactly what they need, so we can use the two together to truly get the inventory right where it needs to be.
Periodically go through a review to see if parts that we currently stock are working for the cars that we have in our shop. And if they're not, then we make an adjustment. We'll pull some things and put some new things in. And normally we're real happy with our stock.
Before they spend $1 with Mighty, they know that we can make them more profitable.